Hello everyone, and welcome back to Hello Yellow Online. Today, we have something truly special to share with you. Let's dive right in and explore the NAMST Automatic Essential Oils Aromatherapy Diffuser. A game changer for your home environment, this remarkable device boasts a generous 400 milliliters capacity, allowing you to create a fragrant oasis in your living space. Imagine the delightful atmosphere you can create with a few drops of your favorite oil-soluble essential oil. Whether you're looking to unwind after a long day or infuse your home with a refreshing scent, the NAMST Diffuser has you covered. But what makes the NAMST Diffuser even more appealing are its unique features. You can control it effortlessly using the Bluetooth app, adding an extra layer of convenience to your aromatherapy experience. And here's the icing on the cake. We've secured an exclusive 59% discount for our viewers. Ready to transform your space and elevate your well-being? Don't miss out. Click the link in the description below to get your very own NAMST Aromatherapy Diffuser. This is your chance to create a tranquil sanctuary in your own home, and with our exclusive discount, it's more accessible than ever. Don't wait. Treat yourself to the gift of relaxation and rejuvenation today. Now, let's take a moment to hear from those who have experienced the NAMST Diffuser. We've gathered feedback from satisfied customers, and it's important to provide a balanced perspective. While these reviews highlight the strengths and potential considerations, we also encourage you to do your own research. Reading more reviews can help you make an informed decision. For more insightful product reviews like this one, make sure to subscribe to Hello Yellow Online and hit the notification bell icon so you never miss an update. We want to express our sincere gratitude for joining us today. Your support means the world to us, and we're excited to have you as part of our Hello Yellow Online community.